Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Buffalo Mozzarella Balls are probably one of the most versatile and delicious dairy products you can add to your culinary repertoire, offering a rich, creamy texture and a subtly sweet, milky flavor that elevates everything from simple salads to gourmet pizzas and pasta dishes. Their unique, delicate taste and satisfying chew make them a standout ingredient for home cooks and professional chefs alike, promising an authentic Italian experience with every bite. Number 5. Mozzarella and Ricotta Cheese Making Kit. Unleash your inner cheesemaker with this all-inclusive kit. You'll have everything you need to create delicious mozzarella and ricotta right in your own kitchen. This 5-piece DIY set comes complete with cheesecloth, vegetable rennet, citric acid, cheese salt, and a cooking thermometer. No need to search for individual ingredients. Making your own cheese has never been easier or more enjoyable. It's a fantastic activity for a fun afternoon or a unique culinary adventure. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for anyone who loves cooking, Italian food, or trying new DIY projects. Give the gift of homemade deliciousness. Experience the traditional flavors of Italy with this authentic cheese-making supply. You'll be proud to serve your homemade creations. We've carefully selected each component for optimal results. Enjoy the satisfaction of using quality tools and ingredients for your cheese-making journey. What we like? This kit provides everything you need to make your own mozzarella and ricotta at home. It includes cheesecloth, rennet, citric acid, cheese salt, and a thermometer. If you're looking for a fun, hands-on culinary experience and enjoy making cheese from scratch, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The mozzarella balls are fresh and have a creamy texture. They are perfect for salads and appetizers, adding a delightful milky flavor. The quality is excellent, and they hold their shape well when sliced. Number 4. Cheez-It Buffalo Wing Baked Snack Crackers. Get ready for an explosion of taste. These crackers bring the bold flavor of buffalo wings right to your snack time. Made with real cheese, they're a satisfying crunch you won't want to miss. Experience the authentic taste of real cheese baked into every bite. We've combined it with zesty buffalo seasoning for a snack that's both cheesy and spicy. Whether you're a kid or an adult, these crackers are a hit for all ages. They're the ideal treat for family gatherings or a personal indulgence. Don't let hunger strike. These are perfect for enjoying at home or taking with you on the go. Keep a pack handy for any adventure. With 2 generous packs, you'll have plenty to share or savor. Enjoy this delicious snack whenever the craving hits. What we like? Experience the bold taste of buffalo wings in a crunchy cracker. Made with real cheese and seasoned to perfection, these snacks are a flavor explosion. If you love spicy and cheesy snacks and are looking for a convenient treat for parties or on the go, these crackers are an excellent pick. What people say? The mozzarella balls are fresh and have a creamy texture. They are perfect for salads and appetizers, adding a delightful milky flavor. The quality is excellent, and they melt beautifully when heated. Number 3. Mozzarella Whole Milk Loaf 6 pounds. Experience the rich, creamy texture of our premium whole milk mozzarella. Made with the finest ingredients, it's perfect for all your culinary creations. This convenient 6 pounds loaf provides ample cheese for large gatherings or frequent use. Enjoy its versatility in countless dishes. Achieve that perfect melt every time. Its superior quality ensures a smooth, gooey texture that elevates pizzas, pastas, and more. We ensure freshness from our dairy to your table. Each loaf is carefully prepared to maintain its exceptional taste and quality. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this is the mozzarella you can rely on. Its consistent performance makes it a kitchen essential. What we like? Enjoy the rich, creamy texture of whole milk mozzarella in a convenient large loaf. This cheese is perfect for melting, slicing, and grating, making it ideal for all your culinary creations. If you're a pizza lover, a sandwich enthusiast, or simply need a generous amount of high-quality mozzarella for family meals, this loaf is a fantastic value. What people say? The mozzarella balls are fresh and have a creamy texture. They are perfect for salads and appetizers, adding a delightful milky flavor. The quality of the milk used is evident in the rich taste and smooth consistency. Number 2. Parco Buffalo Mozzarella Cheese DOP. Experience the rich, creamy taste of authentic Italian mozzarella. Made with the finest buffalo milk, it's a true delicacy. This cheese boasts DOP certification, guaranteeing its origin and traditional production methods. You can trust in its superior quality. Each bite delivers a burst of fresh, milky flavor. It's perfect for salads, pizzas, or simply enjoyed on its own. This convenient pack of 3 ensures you always have this exquisite cheese on hand. Enjoy it whenever the craving strikes. Savor the tradition and passion that goes into every ball of this exceptional cheese. It's a taste of Italy you won't forget. What we like? Savor the authentic taste of Italian buffalo mozzarella, DOP certified for guaranteed quality. Made from rich buffalo milk, it offers a unique, slightly tangy flavor and creamy texture. If you appreciate genuine Italian flavors, are looking for a premium cheese for caprese salads or gourmet pizzas, this is the mozzarella for you. What people say. The mozzarella balls are fresh and creamy, with a delicate flavor that pairs well with a variety of dishes. These mozzarella balls have a satisfying texture, firm yet yielding, making them perfect for salads or as a standalone appetizer. The quality of the milk used is evident in the rich taste and smooth consistency of the mozzarella balls. Number 1. MICCOSTUMES Men's Long Synthetic Cosplay Wig. Transform into your favorite character with this high-quality cosplay wig. It's designed for comfort and a realistic look, perfect for any convention or event. Crafted from premium synthetic fibers, this wig offers a natural sheen and texture. It's heat-resistant, allowing for easy styling to achieve your desired look. Embrace the versatility of its long length. Whether you need a flowing mane or a base for intricate styling, this wig provides endless possibilities. Designed with a comfortable, adjustable cap, it ensures a secure fit for most head sizes. You can wear it all day without discomfort. Elevate your cosplay game or add the perfect finishing touch to your costume. It's ideal for conventions, Halloween, parties, and more. Keeping it looking its best is simple. With basic care, this wig will maintain its style and quality for many uses to come. What we like? Transform your look with this long, synthetic hair wig designed for men's cosplay. It offers a realistic appearance and is easy to style for various characters. If you're a cosplayer looking to complete a specific character's outfit or need a versatile wig for conventions, this is a great option to consider. What people say. The mozzarella balls are fresh and have a creamy texture. They are perfect for salads and appetizers. The quality of the mozzarella is excellent, with a delicate milky flavor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.